on, you guys.
Hey guys, look at my nails.
Oh, so pretty, just like you.
Good
morning, people. I missed you guys so much. Oh Lord, I missed you guys like so much. Every day I would wake up and I would check my social media and stuff, and I post a lot on Instagram. So if you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram. TheAlbornozareGrowing, the same name here. I post a lot of Insta stories and that little brat over there and the foolishness that we do. So that's the quickest way to get an update. That's the quickest way to see what we're doing. That whatever, blah blah. Anyways, it's Wednesday. I promised you guys a vlog for Tuesday, but the internet and everything was set up kind of late, and by the time I realized that we had the internet, it was too late to edit a video and put it up. So I figured I would vlog all new, brand new, fresh stuff and give it to you guys, because everything I have, it's old. It's from, you know, it's old stuff. So I'm like, I'm not gonna give you guys old stuff. That's not nice. But anyways, today is Wednesday. I am watering our lawn. Our lawn got put in a week ago. We got sod in the front, seed in the back, and I have to be watering it constantly, at least 3 times per day, so that it doesn't dry up, because we're in the middle of the summer month. Maddie, what's the matter? You don't want your lunch? You don't want your lunch? I'll take it. What do you say?
This room is secure, so we can speak.
What do you say?
Why the secrecy?
Not gonna talk to me?
The feds are coming tomorrow.
No?
Shut us down.
Maddie.
Shut us down?
Are you shy?
There's only one
Maddie, you're not shy.
and that's prove ourselves.
You're not shy. Why are you taking your clothes off? Put your clothes back on. Put it back on. Put it back on. Put your clothes back on.
Our target is Leonard Saber. As you know, he is a former arms dealer and current CEO of Saberling Industries.
What's up, guys? Oh, I just finished editing. It's not even a vlog. It's the journey to home video, and it's going up this afternoon on Thursday, and then tomorrow you guys will see this tomorrow. Usually I don't usually post on Fridays, but look at this. What are you doing? You're the culprit why Daddy say these blinds are gonna be broken. Don't do that. Then we're gonna have dirty windows. Oh, let me put this up, because I don't want you to choke on this or strangle yourself, whichever. So anyways, see, she can reach it. Anyways, so I usually don't post on Fridays, but I'm not doing nothing. I have my desk set up right in the front. Originally, I wanted this front room to be a dining room, but I haven't purchased the furniture because I'm kind of like chilling out on our spending, because we're like out of control, and I'm like trying to rein us back in. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you guys get it. Owning a new house takes a lot of money. Like, it's like if you can imagine an empty gas tank, that's what a house is. It sucks everything out of you. But and the Ford Focus broke. Like, it boggles my mind that it's a brand new car and it's sitting in our front yard broken. So we're supposed to drop that off this afternoon for them to look at it. It's still under warranty, extended warranty, because Ford knew about the problem but yet still they still decided to sell the lemon cars. They're not issuing a recall or anything like that. They're just having extended warranty where they fix the problem, but later on down the line it's still gonna happen because they're still fixing it with the still broken whatever. I'm not even gonna talk about that because that's making me upset. Hubby's supposed to be home because he has a really long commute. I don't know if I told you guys that. Look at my gallery wall. I'm gonna show you guys my gallery wall. So I put that up about a week ago, and then I put up this home one over here, and then I did those two over there, and then the big farmhouse. We still have to put up curtains, and then the couches came in. And then that front room does not have any furniture in it except for my desk. And I still have boxes and stuff. So we're making progress. I mean, I can't beat myself up. It's gonna get done. I have to give you guys a house tour. I mean, if you follow our journey, you really don't need a house tour because I've been showing the house since day one, since it's been going up. So let me stop talking.
I think so they can. So that's because there's more sunlight there.
Okay, you're putting the flowers for sun.
Yeah.
Okay. We have this boy out here watering the sod.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way?
This is the mat I have in the front, and then on the door it says hello. I need a wreath for up here, but
Hello. Your hair's wet.
I know, I put stuff in it
Why?
because I want to.
I want to put stuff in my hair.
No, you don't need anything in your hair. Your hair is perfect.
My hair is not perfect.
It is perfect.
And I like it in
I like it the way it is.
I like it in water.
Water, you like water in your hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can arrange to get water in your hair. Where's your other foot of shoe?
I lost it.
You lost it? How did you do that? Are you sure you lost it or it's just misplaced?
I had my other foot.
Yeah, but you need to find the other foot so that you can have on 2 for the shoe.
This was on my other foot, and I used to have
You gotta find it, buddy.
I used to have it, but it's gone.
Okay, you gotta find it.
Okay. That's gonna be my
Yeah, I have this plant thingy here. I like it. It's okay. And I plant some flowers. I'm surprised they're not dead yet. Over here. Look at my frog. It's the froggy. And there's more plants over there. They're still going strong, but my tree is dead. No, Maddie. How did you get up here? How did you get up here? Who brought you here?
Me.
Is she the culprit that brought you here? Is that the culprit? Yes. She the little culprit. Culprit. The culprit. What's wrong with your nose? Let's show the sunshine. Let's show them your nails. Oh.
I did it. Look at her tiny one.
Look at the toes to match. Can you two stop being grown, please? What are you getting ready to do, Miss Maddie? Make a mess? Picking her nose. This is what Miss Madison woke up. I'm over here because I just opened this this makeup thing. And she went in here and took out the makeup out of here and made a mess of the carpet. Brand, just early in the morning. Look at this. Look. Why, Maddie? Why? Okay, guys, so it's still a little bit of stain here, and the big stain there is gone, but Madison. Ugh. Alright, these boxes need to go down in the garage, please.
Okay. I gotta put this down.
Good morning, guys. I promised you guys a vlog on Friday, but I'm so sorry I didn't. It was just too much was going on. But today is Sunday, and we are getting ready to. I'm getting ready to go pick up a car seat for Maddie. It's used, but the lady said it's in good condition, and I'm waiting for her to respond back to me because it's a good hour and a half from where we are. So I gotta go pick that up, and then I have to go to the bank because we don't have a bank. Well, we use the bank that we use is not in the state that we live. So I have to go. I'm not. You're being lazy.
Me?
Mm-hmm. Come on, Maddie.
I always use
So, either I have to use the ATM. Come on, turn off the lights. Not this light, but make sure all the lights are off. And I don't even remember what I was saying. I'm trying to get all these kids down. Yeah, so have to do all of that. The good thing is I deposited the checks over the phone, so I'm just gonna have to wait for those to hit before I can pay any bills, which is probably tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too late because the cutoff statement for our credit cards are the 3rd. So, and today's the 1st of July. What are you guys doing for 4th of July? We don't have any plans. He's off on Wednesday. He's off. I think it's paid holiday. So I don't have any plans for 4th of July. I think we just might stay home. They have a lot of fireworks going off, and the funny thing is the neighbor a couple blocks over, they were putting off fireworks in their backyard, and their backyard faced each other, like. But with us, we're on the cul-de-sac and we face away. We're not facing anyone. But they were doing fireworks, like legit fireworks, and you know, stuff was just going all over the place. Why must you do that? And I'm like, what if somebody's house catches on fire? Like, you don't play that kind of joke, but people, whatever. Say good morning.
Good morning.
This is my chunka chunk.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
My mother said you're up at 8.
Sunday, Sunday.
You're usually up at 3.
You making me eggs too?
No, 4 in the morning.
Babe, you making me breakfast? I'm hungry.
No.
Honey, I'm hungry.
You don't eat breakfast.
I'm telling you, I'm hungry. Can you make me breakfast, please? Look at all that oil on the stove, Rob. And look at my nice decorative towels. Like, you're so disrespectful to my stuff. Maddie, stop yelling. Did you guys clean up the kitchen?
That's good and good.
Okay.
A little bit.
Anyway, guys, I will see you when we get to my mother-in-law's house. Breakfast is served. He gave me breakfast. Look at that little bit of egg. And I have 1 cheese and my sparkling ice.
That cheese is disgusting.
Orange mango. This is disgusting?
No.
Oh, okay. I love these. Like, the lighting. I love those. And they're like really good. Girl, guys, look at my hair. Like I use beeswax, this edge control with beeswax, and I just realized that my hair loves beeswax, especially Australian beeswax. So I need to get me some beeswax for the rest of my curls so I can define them curls, you know what I mean? Like I was gonna get a shape up, you know, and get, you know, something so I don't look so alien looking, but I'm not gonna touch my hair. I'm just gonna let it grow and then put some braids in it for protective styling in the fall, and just, you know, just love my natural hair. I'm starting to learn to love myself the way I am, right, baby? Mm-hmm. If you don't love yourself, you can't expect that thing over there to love you.
What?
Look, he didn't even share his egg.
Mm-hmm.
Joe, what are you doing with the
Look at your face.
What are you doing?
He shared his egg. He did share his egg, and it was really sweet of him. And he was like, "You can have some."
You have to ask mommy or daddy.
But anyways, I'm gonna go eat my breakfast, and today is the first day of my weight loss journey until I turn until my next birthday next year. Oh, my gallery wall is lean, babe. It's lean. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, it's lean.
What's that look for? What is that look?
Yeah, I see everything.
Tell me what that was for. Please tell me.
That's lean
You
too.
gave me a look.
No look.
What was it for?
No look.
Please tell me what the look was about.
Face is lean.
I don't know.
see lean.
He gave me a look, guys. As if he doesn't believe in me, but
I believe in him.
whatever.
I got an easy pass. Give me my phone.
So we're going to the beach for a whole week, I told you guys. So her grandmother just got her first bathing suit. Destiny has one similar like this when she was a baby. Just like this. So that's that. And then this one, I think is a little too small. I think I need to size up. Maddie is tiny, but just to be on the safe side. This is what, 12 months? Yeah, I need to go a size up. But this is so cute and so sweet of her grandmother to get her bathing suit. So Maddie is bathing suit ready. Guys, yard work ain't no joke. I've been home since 2 o'clock and I literally spent 5.5 hours outside watering the lawn. 5 hours watering the lawn because it was dried out and around the edges were dying. So I'm getting ready to clean this whole entire house. Like, it's dirty. Like, it's really dirty. So I think what I'm gonna do is a clean with me. Let's see how that turned out. Let's go. So this is the car seat that I got. It's used, but I like it. It's the Kiko Next Fit. So we got Panda Express, and I didn't know they had a drive-through. So we went in their drive-through. I got chicken. Daddy got chicken. Chicken and beef. She's tired. You wanna go to bed? Wanna go to bed? Wanna go to bed? Huh? It's bedtime? Tired? Yeah? You just wanna hold my hand? This comforts her. Holding my hand comforts Maddie. No, I have to serve. Okay, I'll hold your hand.